Hey everyone, my name is Mrs. Davenport. I teach ag biology, explorations in agriculture, and ag leadership. I just want to go over quickly some ways in which you can help your student be successful in this class. First off, all information can be found on Aries. So that includes all of the Zoom links and our class website. If you are interested in being a guardian on Google Classroom, go ahead and click the link in which your student is enrolled. So let's say they're enrolled in my Ag Biology Period 6. Just go ahead and click on that link and it should allow you to type in your email and join as a guardian. If for some reason that doesn't work, send me an email and I will be happy to send you a direct invite link. My email is kdavenport@muhsd.org. So again, that's located right here on my website, which you can get to through Aries, and I also sent out this link on Parent Square. All the Zoom links are located right here, so if for some reason Aries is down, which unfortunately has been happening here and there, they can access it on this website. The last place they can access any of the Zoom calls is on Google Classroom or on their class syllabus, which is also posted on Google Classroom. So really there's 4 ways in which they can get on the Zoom call if for some reason Aries is down or if Google Classroom is down. There are alternate ways of getting there. Next, I do want to go over some of the policies for each class. Your student is enrolled in Ag Biology, Exploration, Agriculture, or Ag Leadership, but they all have the same requirements in terms of the grading policy, which includes 15 activity points for FFA. And I know this sounds confusing, but basically our ag education program embodies what we call a 3-circle model. So it involves hands-on learning, FFA, and then supervised ag experience projects, which I will talk about in a second. For the FFA portion, your student is responsible for completing 15 activity points per quarter to fulfill 10% of their grade. These are a little bit easier to get than it might seem. If you click on the FFA link, it shows you how to obtain these points each quarter. So the first 4 are activities that have specific dates. The rest, students can complete whenever they want on their own throughout the quarter. So they can complete an ag improvement project at home, or maybe they partake in one of our social media challenges. These are also easy ways to obtain the points if they just attend an FFA meeting or partake in our gamer night, or again, some more social media challenges, they can get points that way. And you'll see each activity is worth multiple points. So our first meeting on September 9th is worth 5 points if they attend this Wednesday. Plus, we'll have other opportunities here and there during the events that they can obtain their points. If for some reason your student is unable to get these points, they just need to communicate with me and I can help them be successful in this area of the grading policy. This is a requirement all across the state, so all ag education students are required to fulfill this activity or these activities. Let's go back to the grading policies. So let's say your student is in ag biology. Here's yours, or the syllabus for your student's class. And ag explorations and ag leadership has the same format, just a little different information here and there. But again, all syllabus have the classroom links and the Zoom links, as well as all of our social media accounts if you want to stay up to date on what's going on. All of the syllabus also have forms to sign up for a virtual parent-teacher meeting. So this is great, but unfortunately I can't see who's on the other side of the computer. So I would love the opportunity to get to know you and your students and teach them everything that that FFA and ag education has to offer. So if you're interested in signing up for a one-on-one meeting where I can talk a little bit more about FFA and what these classes have to offer, go ahead and click on this link and fill this out, and I will make sure to schedule a time in which we can meet virtually. So again, lots of opportunities in FFA. The main one is to help enhance your leadership skills, communication and teamwork skills, and just overall become better leaders and students. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have about FFA. Just feel free to send me an email or again, sign up for a virtual parent-teacher meeting. The last thing I want to discuss is just how the class works. If you head to your student's Google Classroom page, which again you can join as a guardian, go ahead and click on your student's class. So let's say they're in Ag Biology Period 3. You will see that every day they are given a daily agenda. This allows them to stay up to date on what is due each day. So we can see last Friday, they were responsible for completing the sketch notes on page 11 of their notebook. All of the directions for that assignment are located right here under the agenda. It also has all of the FFA announcements and our daily warm-ups, which usually take place in the chat. If they may or continuously look at this each day, they should understand what is required of them in this class. However, if sometimes that information is confusing or they're not sure, I am all about communication, so they are always welcome to send me an email and I will try to reply very promptly, which typically I do. So again, I'm just really big on communication. Hopefully they're not scared to talk to me because I am more than willing to help them whenever needed. Same with you. If you ever need anything, please feel free to send me an email, again at kdavenport@muhsd.org, which can be found on my website. If there's any questions, please feel free to send me an email. I'm happy to talk to you whenever. Again, I look forward to meeting you hopefully in a virtual one-on-one meeting. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much.